Hey, and welcome back. Today we're going to be locating decimal points on a number line. Now, I do love number lines when I'm working with decimals because it helps me to see exactly where my decimal falls. I have tenth places and hundredth places. The difference between the two is where the digit stops. When I'm talking about numbers before the decimal point, so my whole numbers, I say the number where the number starts. But when I'm dealing with decimal digits, I say the number where the decimal stops. So let's take a look at some of these. I'm going to look at 3, 4, 5, and 6. So letter E. I'm going to count between 0 and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have tenths. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back and count by tenths. 1 tenth, 2 tenths, 3 tenths, 4 tenths, 5 tenths, 6 tenths. So E is located at 6 tenths. Let's keep going. I'm looking for H. Now, when I see a whole number, I'm going to clap. I'm going to clap every time I reach a decimal point. When I say that decimal point, its name is AND. So we're going to count from 1 to 2 using our decimal points. 1 and, 1 tenth, 1 and, 2 tenths, 1 and, 3 tenths, 1 and, 4 tenths, 1 and, 5 tenths, 1 and, 6 tenths, 1 and, 7 tenths, 1 and, 8 tenths, 1 and, 9 tenths, 1 and, 10 tenths, or I can't say that, it doesn't make sense mathematically. I have to call 1 and 10 tenths 2. So now I'm not going to clap it, and I'm going to say AND every time I hit a decimal place. 1 and 1 tenth, 1 and 2 tenths, 1 and 3 tenths, 1 and 4 tenths. So H is located at 1 and 4 tenths. Now, let's look for the point of F. F is located down here on the bottom number line. Now, when I have 2 digits behind a decimal point, it stops in the hundredths position. So I call it a hundredth. So I have 1 and 30 hundredths, 1 and 31 hundredths, 1 and 32 hundredths, 1 and 33 hundredths. So 1 and 33 hundredths. Let's look for G. Oh, G is on down the line. So if this is 33, 1 and 34 hundredths, 1 and 35 hundredths, 1 and 36 hundredths, 1 and 37 hundredths, 1 and 38 hundredths, 1 and 39 hundredths, 1 and 40 hundredths. So G is located at 1 and 39 hundredths. I hope this has helped, and I'll see you again really soon.